Morning from Phi Phi Island. It's day 5 here in Thailand, and we sit here in Phi Phi Island for 2 days. And we're gonna have breakfast. These are the breakfast: pancakes and French fries, bacon and ham, sausage. This is stuffed potatoes with beans. I'll have this. Wow, looks delicious. I'll have some thing here also. Hot coffee, tea, water, juice, tea. So that's all. We are leaving the hotel and we are heading back to Khao Sok National Park. It will take 3 hours, 1 hour by ferry and 2 hours by bus. So it's a long day again. It's already 10 here in Thailand, and I think we will be reaching there in the afternoon. So see you. I have reached the boat and it's bustling. There's so many people here just porting. Some are coming, some are leaving. Like, it's chaos right now, but we'll be missing this place. See you, Phi Phi Island. Have reached the station. Now we are going to catch a bus, so which will take another 1 hour. 2 hours. So it's a long day. Good morning here from Khao Sok National Park. We are heading back to a lake, a whole day tour. So we don't know what to expect, but let's see. So our day is starting at 8:30. So let's start. We have reached the board and we are going to board. Look at the view.
Khao Sok National Park is in Surat Thani province in southern Thailand. It is renowned for its ancient evergreen rainforest, majestic limestone cliffs, and the stunning Cheow Lan Lake, which is created by the Ratchaprabda Dam in 1982. The national park covers 739 square kilometers and features dramatic limestone mountains, as you can see, and some reaching even up to 960 meters in height. Khao Soks are limestone karsts and vast network of caves. They are a testament to millions of years of geological evolution. These towering formations are part of one of the world's oldest rainforests, estimated to be over 160 million years old, predating even the Amazon rainforest. The region's unique terrain was shaped over millions of years by shifting tectonic plates and natural erosion processes, resulting in a landscape that captivates geologists like me and nature lovers alike. Visitors will find a sense of wonders as they explore the various caves. This geological heritage aid depth to the exploration, making a visit to Khao Sok not only visually stunning but also scientifically fascinating.
Oh, we have reached the cave. cave and see, it's so dark. I'm using my own light. See, I can see. See. Oh my god, I'm enjoying. It's a heaven for geologists like me. This is my life. Oh my god. See. That's. Oh my. I think there will be hundreds.
On the way, okay. तुम्हारा गाइड इसका चलता है
I just moved out from the cave. It was good. It was humid. It was smelly as usual. And now we are heading back to have lunch. But in the meantime, I will show you this. This is the lunch we're going to have. This is the this is the vegetarian food. Yeah, you go. I can't see any place. Huh? After a tiresome swim, I am going to do a kayaking. Let's see how it will be. You want to go that side? Let's go that side once. आप आराम से ही कर लेना, मैं कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा. मेरा तो काला हो गया आज तो काला हो गया मेरा. खा लिया आज.
कितना नहीं चाहिए बस
नहीं गिरेगा. हेलो.
After having a traditional Thai lunch at a floating raft house, we relaxed and soaked up the scenery and also had an opportunity to swim and do canoeing. And now we are going for a short jungle trek inside the national park.
We have reached the waterfall and we will follow our tour guide. So let's follow them. This is our group. We'll be working for like 40 minutes. So Wow. Too good. Oh my god.
Take a photo first.
Wow. Jao. How is your experience of trekking here in Thailand? Huh?
Tiring.
What about you, Sachin?
Amazing.
Amazing. What about you, Sangeet? Oh my god. This is so slippery. Let me go first then.
Trekking inside ancient jungles, exploring the mysterious cave, swimming and kayaking across the emerald Cheow Lan Lake, resting in the serene floating bungalows make my Khao Sok trip adventurous and an unforgettable escape into nature's breathtaking beauty, where every moment feels like a journey into a hidden paradise. Visiting Khao Sok National Park is an unforgettable journey that will be etched deeply in my heart, where every moment seems to pulse with the wild spirits of the forest, igniting a sense of awe and wonders that will forever linger in my soul, an experience so profound that its memory will haunt and inspire me for a lifetime.
Oh, I just returned back from the national park. It was such an incredible day. I thoroughly enjoyed. I didn't expect anything, but it was more than what I expect. So a bit tired because it was sunny and I was swimming, walking, doing a lot of stuff. So I'm tired. Now we'll change our clothes, take a shower, and then head back to the street to have something. So see you.